Considering an MS in computer science in the USA, computer science programs at leading USA universities typically span 1 to 2 years. International students must meet specific eligibility requirements to secure admission into these programs. Eligibility criteria for pursuing computer science in the USA. Bachelor's degree, an undergraduate degree with an aggregate GPA of 3.0 out of 4.0. GRE score, achieve a GRE score ranging from 290 to 330. English proficiency, demonstrate English language proficiency with IELTS scores between 6.5 and 7 or TOEFL scores of 7 to 7.5. Work experience, photocopies of your passport, resume, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, academic prerequisites, and financial proof. Admission documents checklist for MS in computer science in USA.